Garden suburbs were an offshoot of the British garden city design ideals developed by Ebenezer Howard in the late 19th century. His 1898 book, Tomorrow, A Peaceful Path to Real Reform, inspired urban planning across the world. His utopian community philosophy led to the 20th century garden city design movement. One of the original ideals was to prevent urban sprawl by creating small independent cities with housing close to work, public amenities, shopping and entertainment. In South Australia, an early example of the Garden City movement is Kernelite Gardens, originally named Mitcham Garden Suburb. A plan was drawn up in 1917 by Charles Compton Reid, employed by the South Australian Government as Australia's first government town planner. Reid's original design closely followed Garden City philosophy, but he adapted it to suit South Australian conditions. After World War I, Kernelite Gardens became the site of the Thousand Homes Scheme, Australia's first mass housing project, introduced in 1924 by the newly elected Labor government. This modified the original concept, but still provided a cohesive urban design and access to low-income housing. The importance of Kernelite Gardens to early urban planning was recognised in 2000 when the suburb was designated a State Heritage Area.